Hi there, little superstars. Welcome back to Bright Star Education. Today we have a very special guest. It's the letter K. Are you ready to learn 40 amazing words that start with the letter K? It's going to be so much fun. Put on your thinking caps and let's get started. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. K is for knot. K-N-O-T, knot. A knot is what we make when we tie two strings together very, very tightly. It helps to keep things joined so they don't slip away. K is for kilt. K-I-L-T, kilt. A kilt is a very special traditional skirt worn by people in Scotland. It usually has beautiful, colourful patterns called tartans. K is for kaleidoscope. K-A-L-E-I-D-O-S-C-O-P-E, kaleidoscope. Look inside this magic tube. When you turn it, you see beautiful, changing patterns and bright colours that dance around. K is for kingdom. K-I-N-G-D-O-M, kingdom. A kingdom is a magical land ruled by a king or queen. It has big castles, green fields, and many happy stories. K is for knight. K-N-I-G-H-T, knight. A brave knight wears shiny silver armor and rides a strong horse. He is a hero who protects the kingdom and the people. K is for karate. K-A-R-A-T-E, karate. Karate is a fun way to exercise. It teaches us how to move our hands and feet quickly to be strong, healthy, and very disciplined. K is for need. K-N-E-A-D, knead. When we make bread, we have to knead the dough with our hands. We push and fold it to make it soft and ready to bake in the oven. K is for knitting. K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G, knitting. Knitting is a clever way to make clothes using wool and needles. You can knit a warm sweater or a cozy scarf for a chilly day. K is for kiss. K-I-S-S, kiss. A kiss is a sweet way to show love and kindness. It's like a warm hug for your face from someone who cares about you very much. K is for kudos. K-U-D-O-S, kudos. Kudos means giving someone a big, great job or a well done. It's what we say when we are proud of someone for doing something amazing. K is for kin. K-I-N, kin. Kin means your family, your mother, father, brothers and sisters. It's the group of people who love you and belong to your family tree. K is for kelp. K-E-L-P, kelp. Kelp is a giant green seaweed that grows deep under the ocean. It looks like a tall underwater forest where fish love to hide and play. K is for kits. K-I-T-S, kits. Kits are sets of special tools we keep together, like a doctor's kit or a craft kit. They help us have everything we need in one place. K is for kettle. K-E-L-T-T-L-E, kettle. Look at the kettle on the stove. When the water gets very hot, it whistles to tell us it's time for a warm cup of tea. K is for keep. K-E-E-P, keep. To keep means to hold on to something special. You can keep your toys in a box or keep a secret safely in your heart. K is for kernel. K-E-R-N-E-L. Kernel. A kernel is a small seed, like a tiny yellow corn kernel. When it gets hot, pop. It turns into a yummy white popcorn. K is for kneel. K-N-E-E-L. Kneel. To kneel means to rest on your knees on the floor. We kneel down to play with a kitten or to look at a tiny flower in the grass. K is for knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. A knife is a kitchen tool. We use a butter knife to spread yummy jam or butter on our bread very, very carefully. K is for knowledge. K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E, knowledge. Knowledge is all the amazing things you learn by reading books and asking questions. The more you learn, the more knowledge you have. K is for ketchup. K-E-T-C-H-U-P, ketchup. Ketchup is a bright red sweet sauce made from juicy tomatoes. It's the perfect treat to dip your crunchy fries in. K is for kayak. K-A-Y-A-K, kayak. A kayak is a small, narrow boat for one person. You use a long paddle to glide across the calm, blue water. K is for knee. K-N-E-E, knee. Your knee is the joint in the middle of your leg that helps you bend, run, and jump. It's like a little hinge for your leg. K is for kiwi. K-I-W-I, kiwi. A kiwi is a fuzzy brown fruit that is bright green and very, very sweet inside. It has tiny little black seeds that you can eat too. K is for keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. A keyboard has many colourful buttons called keys. We press them to type letters, numbers, and fun stories on our computer. K is for kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. A kitten is a tiny, soft, and fluffy baby cat. It loves to play with a ball of yarn and go meow, meow. K is for kind. K-I-N-D, kind. Being kind means sharing your toys and being nice to your friends. A small act of kindness makes everyone feel very happy. K is for kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. A kangaroo is a wonderful animal that hops very high on its strong legs. It even has a cozy pouch to carry its baby. K is for key. K-E-Y, key. A key is a clever little tool. We use it to unlock doors and keep our homes safe. Don't forget where you put your keys. K is for kick. K-I-C-K, kick. Watch the soccer player kick the ball. You use your foot to kick the ball way, way up into the air. K is for kid. K-I-D, kid. A kid is a happy child just like you. Kids love to learn, play with their friends, and discover new things every day. K is for kite. K-I-T-E, kite. A kite is a colourful toy that loves to dance in the wind. Hold onto the string and watch it fly high in the bright blue sky. K is for kneecap. K-N-E-E-C-A-P. Kneecap. The kneecap is the hard, round bone that protects your knee. It's like a little shield for your leg when you play. K is for king. K-I-N-G. King. A king is a royal leader who lives in a big, beautiful castle. He wears a heavy golden crown that sparkles with many jewels. K is for kingfisher. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. Kingfisher. Look at this bright blue bird. The kingfisher sits very still on a branch and then dives into the water to catch a fish. K is for kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home. It's where your family cooks yummy food and where the kitchen smells like delicious cookies. K is for kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. A kennel is a cozy little house for a dog. It's a safe place where your puppy can sleep and stay warm at night. K is for koala. K-O-A-L-A. Koala. The koala is a fluffy grey animal from Australia. It loves to hug eucalyptus trees and sleep for a long, long time. K is for kestrel. K-E-S-T-R-E-L. Kestrel. A kestrel is a small, brave hawk. It can stay perfectly still in the air by flapping its wings very fast while it looks for something to eat. K is for knock. K-N-O-C-K. Knock, 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 knock. Who's there? Knocking is the polite way we use our hand to tap on a door before we go inside. It's like saying, "Hello, may I come in?" Great job, everyone. You learned 40 amazing words starting with the letter K today. I am so proud of you. If you enjoyed our adventure, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And make sure to click that subscribe button to join the Bright Star Education family for more fun lessons. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.